Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Atik bin Muhammad Izani. My metric number is AP220391. I am from Group 8 in your Advanced Real Estate Valuation class, Section 1. So here is our group valuation report. Without any hesitation, I am going to present about our report. Before that, let me introduce our group members. First, Dayang Nur Faika binti Abdullah Abang Zamri, Muhammad Khairul Ashraf bin Razali, Muhammad Atik bin Muhammad Izani, which is me, and last, Muhammad Aidil Najmi bin Khalid. We move to the introduction. After receiving the advertising permit and developer's license (APDL) to evaluate the land that we have chosen to see if the land with the potential can change the land used for the purpose of development as an intermediate single story under title number grant PL/PLL 611 Lot 377 Jalan Kampung Sungai Kelambu, Peserai 83000 Batu Pahat, Johor. Particular of title. Address. Title number TLPLL 611. Lot number Lot 377. Location. Locality Parit Lapis, Peserai. Mukim Peserai. District Batu Pahat. State Johor. Provision and type. Provision land area 2 acres. Annual rent RM87. Category of land use agriculture, tenure, freehold. Next, we move to the register owner. The register owner are Muhammad Farid bin Taib, Muhammad Fuad bin Taib, Muhammad Najib bin Taib, Nur Azmi bin Samsudin, and Rozaimah binti Taib. Location of the property. Address of property. The intermediate single-story house is located along Jalan Kampung Lapis Laut in Batu Pahat, Johor. It bears the postal address TLPLL 611, Lot 377, Jalan Kampung Sungai Kelambu, Peserai, 83000 Batu Pahat, Johor. Facilities around property. It lies approximately 1.5 kilometers west of city centre of Batu Pahat, about 21 kilometers from Parit Raja, 12 kilometers from Seri Gading, and 15 kilometers from Parit Sulong.
Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aidil Najmi bin Khalid and I will continue the presentation. I will present about the description of the property. Number 1. Site, single-story terrace house. The intermediate single-story house stood in a plot of rectangular-shaped land with area of approximately 1,760 square feet. Number 2. Building, single-story terrace house. Improved on the site is an intermediate single-story terrace house built with reinforced concrete framework and other building materials. 3. Occupancy status. The subject property is not occupied. Number 4. Services. Main water and electrical supply and are connected to the subject property and septic tank are buried into ground. For planning and provision. For single-story terrace house for non-bumi is 1,550 square feet. And for the total units is 24 and the market value is 322,710 ringgit Malaysia per unit. For single-story terrace house for bumi, 1,540 square feet. The total unit is 16 and for the market value is 300,120 ringgit Malaysia cent per unit. Basis of valuation. Future market value. The future market value is the price when both buyer and seller have reasonable knowledge of the asset and are willing and not pressured to trade. Forced sale value. Forced sale value is defined as the amount that may reasonably be received from the sale under property conditions that do not meet all the criteria of a normal market. The price for forced sale value will be around 70% of the market value. The density. 70% of land to be developed, 30% for infrastructure. 1 acre of land is equal to 43,560 square feet. Only 70% of land can be developed. The balance 30% will be surrendered for infrastructure purpose. Density 20,000. The balance is 30%. Density 14,000. The balance is 70%. Total of land area per acre. 2 acre equals to 87,120 square feet. For residential, 60,984 square feet. For infrastructure, 26,136 square feet. 1 acre land is for 60 persons per acre. 1 house, 5 persons. 1 acre, we have 12 units of houses. Single story. For single story, we use 1,540 square feet. For double story, we use 2,200 square feet. The density 12 units per acre. Residential for 60,900. 1 unit area equal to 5,082 square feet. Area of the land to develop residential equal to 30,492 square feet. For 1 single story, 1,540 square feet. Total for single story 19.8 houses. For double story 13.86 houses. For single story, we use 1,540 square feet for 1 unit. For double story, we use 2,200 square feet for 1 unit. Step 2. Market evidence comparable analysis. Subject property is in Pesserai. Single story 1,540 square feet, freehold, residential, and have 1 car porch, living room, 3 bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, and toilet. Evidence 1, terrace house. The address is at Taman Sri Mutiara 4, Taman Mutiara, Jalan Keluang. Single story, 1,760 square feet. It is a freehold, residential, and it have 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, kitchen, and living room. Evidence 2, terrace house. The address is at Jalan Putra Indah, Taman Putra Indah, Tongkang Pecah. Single story, 1,540 square feet. It is a freehold land area, freehold tenure, residential, have 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, renovated. Evidence 3, terrace house. The location is at Parit Raja, Batu Pahat, Johor. Single story house, 1,540 square feet, freehold tenure, residential, 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, close to public facilities, partially furnished. The transaction sale for evidence 1 is 318,000 ringgit Malaysia. For evidence 2, 359,000 ringgit Malaysia. And for evidence 3 is 304,300 ringgit Malaysia. The date of transaction for evidence 1 is 45,093. For evidence 2, 45,070. And for evidence 3, 46,093. Step 3. Adjustment for time difference. The time difference for evidence 1, 3,180 ringgit Malaysia. For evidence 2, 10,740 ringgit Malaysia. And for evidence 3, 3,040 ringgit Malaysia. Total for the time difference, 3,000 for evidence 1, 321,180 ringgit Malaysia. For evidence 2, 368,740 ringgit Malaysia. And for evidence 3, 307,343 ringgit. Step 4. Adjust for others. The type NL, the land area NL, the tenure NL, the location NL. For evidence 2, the type NL, the land area NL, the tenure NL, and the location NL, also NL. For evidence 3, the type NL, the land area NL, the tenure NL, and for the location for evidence 3 is better off for 5%. Step 5. Market value for adjustment. Market value for evidence 1, 321,180 ringgit Malaysia. For evidence 2, 368,740 ringgit Malaysia. And for evidence 3, 322 ringgit, 710 ringgit Malaysia, 15 cents. And for market value for evidence 1 show that 322,710 ringgit 15 cents Malaysia.
Residual methods. Gross development value. Single story for non-bumi are 24 units. Price per unit RM 322,710. Total value RM 7,745,040. Single story for bumi. For bumi, they will get 7% discount. 16 units. Price per unit RM 300,120 30 cent. Total value RM 4,801,924.80 cent. Total for 40 units. Price per unit RM 622,830 cent. Total value for 50 unit RM 12,456,964.80 cent. Development cost, infrastructure cost. Road and drain for 50 unit. Price per unit RM 800. Price per unit RM 8,000. Total value RM 320,000. Sewerage for 40 unit. Price per unit RM 2,500. Total value RM 100,000. electricity supply for 40 unit RM 1000 price per unit. Total value RM 40,000. Water supply for 40 unit, price per unit RM 800. Total value for 40 unit RM 32,000. So the total for infrastructure cost for 50 units, price per unit RM 12,300. So and total value RM 492,000. Building cost. Single story for 50 units, area per square feet is 1,540. Cost per unit RM 100. Cost RM 154,000. Overall cost RM 6,160,000. Professional fees. Engineering. 5% of infrastructure cost RM 24,600. Architecture and land surveyor. 10% of infrastructure cost RM 59 RM 49,200. So total RM 73,800. Marketing. Real estate agent. 5% of infrastructure cost RM 24,600. Gross development value GDV. Gross development value before void RM 12,546,964. Void 5% RM 627,348.20 Gross development value after void RM 11,919,615.80 Sales operation 0.5 to 1% of GDV RM 95,356.93. Registration titles RM 7,500. Infrastructure costs RM 550,000. Building costs RM 6,160,000. Professional costs RM 73,800. Marketing RM 24,600. Gross development value after minus all the costs RM 5,08,350x 87 cents. Finance cost 50% of total value for 1 year RM 751,253.83 cents. Gross development value after plus the finance cost RM 5,759,612.70 cents. Contingencies 5% of project cost RM 287,980.64 cents. Gross development value after contingencies RM 6,047,593.34 cents. Developer profit and risk 15% of GDV RM 1,787,942.37 Gross development value after plus the developer profit and risk RM 7,835,535.71 Net development value RM 4,084,089. Present value in 2 years 10%, 0.879958. After minus the net development value, the residual value for land RM 580,341.48. Discounted cash flow (DCF). Progress for single story for non-bumi. For the first 3 months, our progress started with 50%, which cost RM 1,161,756. On the 6 month, our progress increased 10%, which cost RM 774,504. On the 9 month, our progress increased 10%, which cost RM 774,504. On the 12th month, our progress also increased 10%, which cost RM 774,504. On the 15th month, our progress also increased 10%, which cost RM 774,504. On the 18th month, our progress increased 15%, which cost RM 1,161,756. On the 21 month, our progress also increased 15%, which cost RM 1,161,756. On the 24 month, our progress also increased 15%, which cost RM 1,161,756. So the total of our progress, which is 100%, cost RM 7,755,040 for single story for non-bumi. Next, progress for single story for bumi. For the first 3 months, our progress started with 20%, which cost RM 960,384.96. On the 6 month, our progress increased 10%, which cost RM 480,192.48. On the 9 month, our progress increased 10%, which cost RM 480,192.48. On the 12th month, our progress increased 10%, which cost RM 480,192.48. On the 15th month, our progress also increased 10%, which cost RM 480,192.48. On the 18th month, our progress increased 10%, which cost RM 480,192.48. On the 21 month, our progress also increased in 10%, which cost RM 480,192.48. On the 24 month, our progress increased 20%, which cost RM 960,384.96. So the total progress for single story, which is 100%, cost 4,801,924.80. Cash inflow. For the first 3 months, cash inflow is RM 2,122,140.96. On the 6 month, cash inflow is RM 1,254,696.48. On the 9 month, cash inflow is RM 1,254,696.48. On the 12th month, cash inflow is RM 1,254,696.48. On the 15th month, cash inflow is RM 1,254,696.48. On the 18th month, cash inflow is RM 1,641,948.48. On the 21 month, cash inflow is RM 1,641,948.48. For the 24 month, cash inflow is RM 2,122,140.96. So the total cash inflow is RM 12,546,964.80. Infrastructure cost. Infrastructure cost started at the first 3 months, which cost RM 256,000. On the 6 month, infrastructure cost is RM 256,000. So the total of infrastructure cost is RM 492,000. Building cost. Building cost started on the 9 month, which cost RM 616,000. On the 12 month, building cost is RM 1,232,000. On the 15 month, building cost is RM 1,232,000. On the 18 month, building cost RM 924,000. On the 21 month, building cost also RM 924,000. On the 24 month, building cost is 1,232,000. So the total cost of building cost is 6,160,000. Professional fees. Professional fees started on the first 3 months, which cost RM 18,450. On the 9 month, the professional fees is RM 80,450. On the 21 month, the professional fees is RM 18,450. And on the 24 month, the professional fees RM 18,450. So the total cost of professional fees is 73,800. For the finance cost, the finance cost started on the first 3 months, which cost RM 150,250.77. On the 9 month, the finance cost is RM 300,501.53. On the 12th month, the finance cost RM 150,250.77. On the 24 month, the finance cost is RM 150,250.77. So the total cost of the finance cost is RM 751,253.83. Contingencies. The contingencies started on the first 3 months, which cost RM 35,997.88.58. On the 6 month, contingencies cost RM 35,997.58. On the 9 month, contingencies cost RM 35,997.85. On the 12th month, contingencies cost RM 35,997.45. On the 15th month, contingencies cost RM 35,997.55. On the 18th month, contingencies cost RM 35,997.48. On the 21 month, contingencies cost RM 35,997.58. On the 24 month, contingencies cost RM 35,997.55. So the total cost of contingencies is RM 287,980.64 for the marketing started on the first 3 months, which cost RM 6,150. On the 6 month, marketing cost RM 3,690. On the 9 month, marketing cost RM 3,690. On the 18 month, marketing cost RM 2,460, and on the 21 month, the marketing cost 6,150, and on the 24 month, marketing cost RM 2,460. So the total of marketing cost RM 24,600. So the total cost in the first 3 months is RM 456,848.35. On the 6 month, cost RM 285,687.58. On the 9 month, cost RM 974,639.11. On the 12th month, cost RM 1,418,248.35. On the 15th month, cost RM 1,267,997.48. On the 18th month, cost RM 962,457.48. On the 21 month, cost RM 984,597.97. On the 24 month, cost RM 1,439,158.35. So the total cost conclude is RM 7,789,634.47. So the last one, free cash flow for the first 3 months is 1,665,292.61. For the 6 month, free cash flow is 969,008 ringgit 90 cent. For the 9 month, RM 280,057.77 cent. On the 12th month, free cash flow is 163,551.87 cent. On the 15th month, free cash flow is 13,301.10 cent. On the 18th month, free cash flow is RM 769,590.90 cent. On the 21 month, free cash flow is RM 657,350.90 cent. On the 24 month, free cash flow is 682,982.91 cent. So the total of the free cash flow is RM 4,757,330.33 cent.
Opinion on value. TL PLL 6/11 Lot 377 Jalan Kampung Sungai Kelambu Peserai 83,000 Batu Pahat Johor, held under a freehold as at July 2023. The market value is RM 3,580,341 ringgit 48 cents. Try. We also assess the for sale value for the subject property to be 2,500,000 ringgit Malaysia only.